So we got these two. They're new with Polo, and they're talking to each other. They're excited. Hi, Polo. So we're trying to name them, and we have pigeons over here. We're trying to name them, but we still don't have names for them yet. So here is a female, and here is a male. So yeah, the yellow is a male and the white is a female. So what are your suggestions for names so we can name them? Find me cute names. Probably with the letter P because we already have Polo. Yep. Thank you.
My.
So Polo is calling them. He's talking to them. And here he's trying to... I'm on the way, so he's trying to look at them. Where are you guys?
Do